Stock market tips and tricks for the eager novice. Getting into the stock market can be a confusing thing to even think about. If you want to learn how you can invest your money, then look no further because you've come to the right place. This video has plenty of information that you can use to learn what it takes to invest in the stock market. Investing is best done with an eye to the long term. There are very few people who will succeed at moving money in and out of investment vehicles, if they try to catch day-to-day trends. Most people just end up losing their money and getting frustrated. Look for solid companies or funds with a long history of good returns and stay the course. Be mindful of a stock's history, but do not count on it as a future guarantee. No matter how good a track record a stock might have in the record books, the future is unwritten. Stock prices are determined by estimations of company earnings in the future. Strong historical performance is a good indication, but even the greatest of businesses can slide. Avoid discount brokers. These brokers lie somewhere between the expertise and advice of full-service brokers and the low prices and fees of online brokers, but do not really offer the advantages of either. It is better to be at the ends of the spectrum to find true value for your time and money. Since purchasing a stock is like becoming a business owner, you must have the mentality of one. Business owners are always concerned about their company's profits, keeping track of their financial statements, and making sure their business stays afloat. You must be the same way when it comes to your stocks. Know what blue chip stocks are. These market-leading businesses are known publicly for their safety, quality and ability to manifest revenue throughout times both good and lean. However, this means that their stocks are priced fully and hard to get at a bargain price outside of a serious market downturn. Keep an eye out for them, but do not hold your breath on having them in your portfolio soon. With the information that you have learned from this video, you should be well informed with how you can become successful with investing in the stock market. Go ahead and re-watch this video if you have to. You want to make sure that you retained all of the information present, in order to be successful. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.